Hello students, today we are going to discuss our next and the last topic of the chapter 2, structure and physiography, that is the island group of India. What is this island? Island means a landmass that is covered from its all sides by the water. You have seen in the map of the India that we are having a vast land, and as well as we are having two major group of the island. Can you identify this island groups? See the number 1, the dotted land masses inside the sea and in between the sea, that is the Lakshadweep Island, and this sea is Arabian Sea. And see in the right hand side where number 2 is marked, this is the Andaman and Nicobar Island, which is located in Bay of Bengal. So in case of the India, we are having two major island groups, that is the Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. And this two island group is not the state, this is the Union Territory of India. Now see, first we are going to discuss about the Andaman and Nicobar Island. See the location of Andaman Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal. This is the box one, that is actually the location of the Andaman and Nicobar Island, that is the located in the southeastern side of or southeastern part of India. In case of the Andaman and Nicobar Island, that is an island which is consist of 572 small island. The Bay of Bengal island group consists of 572 islands, and these are situated almost 6 degree north to 14 degree north and 92 degree east to 94 degree east location. You all know about the latitude and longitude we had discussed, and this is the latitudinal and longitudinal position of the Andaman Island. The two principal groups of island includes the Trichis archipelago and the Labyrinth Island. You need to read both the island group name, and the entire group of island is divided into two broad categories. That is, one is Andaman in the north and is Nicobar in the south. You can see this picture. This red box is the Andaman Nicobar. This is the elaborate picture where you can see above the line, red line, this is the Andaman Island. And Nicobar is separated from Andaman by this 10 degree channel. This red line is actually the 10 degree channel, and the down one is the Nicobar Island. So Andaman Island is major divided into two broad categories. The north part is the Andaman Island and the south part is the Nicobar Island, and it is separated by a water body which is known as the 10 degree channel. It is very important for the map pointing. You can see this red line, that is the 10 degree channel. Now, in case of the, it is believed that the islands are an elevated portion of submarine mountains. It is believed that these islands are the little bit elevated portion of the submarine mountains. That means in the ocean, the mountains are there and that are the elevated portion. And however, some smaller islands have the volcanic origin also. Like in case of there is an island that is known as the Barren Island, and it is only having the active volcano of India, and it is situated in the Nicobar Island only. So Barren is the only active volcano of India. Some important mountain peaks of this island you can see, that is the Saddle Peak, Mount Divalo, then Mount Koyob and the Mount Wheeler. And in case of this one, the Saddle is the highest peak. The coastal line has some coral deposits also. You can see in the Andaman corals are there. The beautiful beaches are present over there, and they receive the convectional rainfall. A huge amount of the rainfall occur, and they are having the equatorial type of the climate because they are near to the near to the equator, and as well as the equatorial vegetation also we can see in this region. This is a picture of the Andaman and Nicobar Island, and this is some details. The location is Bay of Bengal. The coordinates already I had discussed in details. It is a union territory. Capital city is Port Blair. 572 islands are located. Major islands you can see the Little Andaman, North Andaman, Middle Andaman, South Andaman and all. Area is written over here. The highest point is the Saddle Peak. Now Lakshadweep Island. See in the map the left hand side part which is located in the Arabian Sea, and the location is southwest part of India. Now the Lakshadweep Island is located in the Arabian Sea, including Lakshadweep and Minicoy. Here also the latitudinal extension is written over there, 8 degree to 12 degree north, and the longitudinal extension is 71 to 74 degree east. This island is located at a distance of almost 280 kilometers to 480 kilometers from the Kerala coast. The entire island is built of coral deposits. This island is made up of the corals, and there are approximately almost 36 islands are present in this Lakshadweep Island, but all are not inhabited island. In between these 36 islands, 11 are only inhabited islands. Minicoy is the largest island with the area of the 453 square kilometer. In Andaman and Nicobar, like in Lakshadweep Island, Minicoy is the largest island. And this entire group of the island is divided by the 11-degree channel. Like when we read about the Andaman and Nicobar, I said about the 10-degree channel. Here it is about the 11-degree channel, the north of which is known as the Amini Island and the south of Kannur Island. The island of this archipelago have strong beaches consisting the unconsolidated pebbles and shingles, cobbles, boulders, all the things are located. You can see this is a picture of the Lakshadweep Island, where you can see Amin Devi, Lakshadweep Islands are here, Kavarati in the top and the Minicoy Island in the down. Lakshadweep Island is actually made with the coral reefs, as I said, and they are having the atolls also. Actually, atolls are the small hills that is made with the corals only. Not all the islands are having the permission to go. The visitors can have the permission to visit all the islands of the Lakshadweep. Kavarati is the one of the developed island, and in this Kavarati we can see the different kind of the mosque and all are there. There's some tourist spots are also there. Kavarati Aquarium, the regional fish showcasing, shark and the coral pieces are present in this Lakshadweep. So this is about the Lakshadweep Island, and for today this much only. Thank you so much.